HammerSmith Drill Screw is designed to make your work as easy and as safe as possible. Sophisticated technology and superior handling make HammerSmith Drill Screw the reliable partner for all your projects. Soft touch handles and modern lightweight construction enable effortless work without strain, even overhead or in awkward spaces. The integrated LED light enables you to work accurately and safely without slipping. With the included marker spike, you can exactly mark the designated drilling site. Pump once, and now you're ready to drill the hole with a drill bit. Pump again, and HammerSmith Drill Screw is ready to tighten your choice of screw. The powerful lithium-ion rechargeable battery is fully charged within 3 to 5 hours. The charge indicator will show you when the battery is fully charged, and HammerSmith Drill Screw is ready for action, so you're ready to go. Just watch how quick and easy it is when you've HammerSmith Drill Screw to hand. On the left, with a tiny assembly tool, it's awkward, tedious and slow going. It's barely started, but with HammerSmith Drill Screw, the job is done. Isn't the choice obvious? It's time to reach for HammerSmith Drill Screw. Are you tired of trying to find the right screwdriver? Fed up with fiddly, tiny tools that aren't up to the task? And is your tool drawer in a chaotic mess? Then you need HammerSmith Drill Screw from JML, the next generation cordless drill packed full of features so you can get the job done. A powerful 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery provides an impressive operating time of up to 2 hours. The revolving 8-bit barrel design allows fast, convenient bit selection and comes fully loaded with the most common bits, whether it's Phillips, slotted, Allen or Torx screws. HammerSmith drives with power and precision. It even includes marker and drill bit tools, as well as integrated LED light for accurate and safe work. Its ultra-modern, lightweight construction makes it easy to handle, so that even with the fully loaded bit barrel, the entire tool weighs only half a kilogram. So it fits comfortably and compact in your hand. There's an illuminated charge indicator. Perfect ergonomic placement of the control knobs for fluid work without interruptions. And a viewing panel so you can choose the right bit with ease. Use the battery charger with an extra long 2-meter power cord. And best of all, the built-in barrel change loading system for faster, simpler, safer and precise bit change. Quickly take on every type of screw thanks to the clever revolver system. Mark, drill, screw. Done. All these features concentrated in one single brilliant tool, the HammerSmith Drill Screw. With the HammerSmith Drill Screw, you're getting a versatile tool that can mark, drill and screw, all with just one device. The built-in barrel change loading system allows for quick and easy bit change. There's an integrated LED light so you can see into those dark corners. And the 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery means you can get all your jobs done around the house. Best of all, the HammerSmith Drill Screw is lightweight and compact. It's so easy for anyone to use. Order now and you'll receive the powerful HammerSmith Drill Screw tool with charger and 2 ready-loaded barrels featuring 16 of the most commonly used bit pieces, so you're locked and ready to go. All this for the amazing price of just $49.99, including free delivery. But it gets better. Get ready to tackle every DIY project in your home with the HammerSmith Professional Set. The HammerSmith Professional Set includes everything you've seen already, plus the angle attachment for those hard-to-reach jobs. And get the 100-piece plug and screw set so you've got the right bit for whatever job you're taking on. We'd even throw in a protective case to keep your new tool in. All this for the incredible price of just $69.99, including free delivery. That's $69.99 for the complete HammerSmith Professional Set. We're so confident that the HammerSmith Drill Screw will become an essential part of your DIY kit that it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back for a full refund. So what are you waiting for? Get your incredible and versatile HammerSmith Drill Screw from JML.